Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at the construction of a common external tangent to two circles of similar diameters. It is a series of two videos, and in the previous video, we looked at the construction of a tangent and normal from a point P to a given circle. In today's video, we'll be continuing the topic tangents, and at CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. We hope that you are doing fine, and we'll be starting the video now. The next thing we're going to draw is a common external tangent to two circles of the same diameters, right? So we are at drawing number 3. We have drawing number 4 to do next. So the first thing we're going to do is draw our center line. I'm going to turn on ortho. All right, so this line would be 100 millimeters long, enter. All right, enter. All right, we're going to center the line, all right? All right, so we're going to label the points for you. So this point is, let's shift up the drawing. All right, so we're going to label the points here. So single line text, this point, the height, we're going to make the height 4 instead of 3. 4, sorry. Rotational angle be 0. So this will be A and this will be B. You don't have to label it. Just for today's class, I'm labeling it. All right, can you remember what had happened here? The rotational angle is at 60. So the last drawing where we labeled the normal was at 60 degree. So we need to change it. So we're going to go single line text. So you learn something today how to fix it in the exam if that is happening to you. So we need 4 millimeter height, which we have already. We're going to enter it again. The rotational angle, if you look down here, see it says 60. We need it to be 0. So we type A now, see? B is there, all right? Next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the circles, all right? So for today's class, the radius of the circle is 30. So we type here and go 30. 30. And we're going to do the next thing on the next side. So we need to all right, so we center it right there. So we draw a circle. Circle. The radius would be 30 because the diameters are equal. All right. All right. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to extend the line if it need to be extended to the left of A and the right of B. So we're going to, what was the command that we use in the previous drawing to extend? What's the shortcut? EX for extend, all right? So we click this line, and there's a line extended, all right? All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna construct a 90 degree at B. We did the construction of how to construct a 90 degree some time ago, so perhaps you could visit that video and come back if you need to do so. All right, so we're gonna go construct a perpendicular at A and B. So center, gonna turn on snap. All right, so we're gonna draw an arc. The radius, we're gonna turn off ortho. All right, we're gonna make the radius of the arc. We're gonna turn off snap. We're gonna make the radius of the arc 10 millimeters. All right, enter. We're going to go back again, center start end. We're gonna go at this point. I'm gonna mark an arc 10. Gonna come back again, center start end. From here, we're gonna mark an arc 10. Where the two arcs intersect, we're going to draw another arc. Again, center, start, end at the intersection here. This will be 10. Where the two arcs intersect, these two arcs, the line drawn from the intersection of these two arcs to the point A, that's a perpendicular. Draw a line there from A, coming to the intersection here. Enter. This would be the 90 degrees. So we're going to type extend to extend the line. All right, good. We're going to do the same thing at the point B. All right, so we're going to go arc, turn on snap. So at that point, we're going to draw an arc radius 10, enter. Gonna draw another arc from here. The radius would be, you need to turn, and the radius would be 10. Right? We're gonna draw another arc from here. The radius would be, oh, we need to turn off snap. The radius would be 10. Then we're gonna mark another arc. Radius would be 10. Gonna mark another arc. This radius would be 10. All right, so when we draw the line from B to the intersection there, I'm gonna turn on ortho. That would be the 90 degree, right? When we type extend, when we click on the line, where the line intersect the circle, we can label it, but you don't need to. It's just for our class while we're labeling it, right? Maybe in a multiple choice, I might ask for the steps and they are labeled, right? So let's just label them. So this would be 4, enter. This would be C. This would be D. So maybe in a multiple choice exam, those who are doing a multiple choice exam, right? So the line drawn from C to D, that would be the tangent. So we need to turn on object snap, enter. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna extend it to the left and right. All right, so we're gonna draw a random line here. Gonna draw, enter. I'm gonna draw a random line here. In this video, we're looking at the construction of a common external tangent to two circles of similar diameters. It is a series of two videos, and we have come to the end of part one of two videos covering the topic how to construct a common external tangent to two circles of similar diameters. In the next video, part 2, we'll be continuing the construction of the tangent and normal. CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. We hope that you're doing fine, so we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.